A very good morning to all of you. Today we will be discussing about warrants and convertibles. We all know that companies need capital for sustainability and for growth. So how do companies raise money from investors? The usual forms for companies to raise money is either borrow it or issue additional share of stock. Now the question is, do companies have any choice of raising money from the usual ways of issuing the stock? Yes, we have warrants and convertibles, which are the hybrid concepts apart from the normal stocks issued. Now, what are these warrants and convertibles? Now, let's understand what are warrants. Warrants are financial assets that enable same company to raise money without paying out any cash at all. It is very similar in concept to a call option contract or an employee stock option. The difference is that a warrant is issued by the company directly to the investors. It's a long-term security, but are generally shorter term than convertibles. What convertible securities? Convertibles are long-term securities, which can be changed into another type of security such as common stock. It includes bonds and preferred shares, but most commonly take the form of bonds. Attractive to investors because investment with greater growth potentiality than other stocks, traditional stocks and bonds. The investor can still receive returns as if it were a traditional bond, but has the additional option of converting that bond into shares if the share price increases enough to make it worthwhile. What is the difference between convertibles and warrants? Debentures and options are inseparable in case of convertibles. Warrants are detachable. Convertibles are tied with other instruments, whereas warrants are independent bonds. Convertible results mere accounting transfer, warrants exercisable for cash. Convertibles are flexible, can refund debt or conversion. Warrants are exercisable, results in infusion of new capital. Convertibles are longer maturity than warrants. Warrants are not callable, they are less maturity than convertibles. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.